I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Streamlabs and opening widgets so you can add a live element immediately. First, pick the widget type, alert box, chat box, or donation goal, and click Add to Scene to generate a URL. Once done, copy that widget URL and paste it into a browser source in OBS or Streamlabs desktop. This step matters because the URL is the live feed. Make sure to set the width and height to match your canvas for crisp visuals. You now configure how the widget behaves on stream. Tweak animations, sound levels, and display duration so alerts don't overpower your content. Next, replace placeholders with custom images or variables to match branding. Upload PNG or GIF assets and confirm file sizes. Then use the widget's test button to simulate donations, follows, or subs. This is crucial because tests reveal timing and overlap issues. If overlays look off, adjust CSS or size settings until elements. You finish by locking the widget positions in your scene and saving a scene collection so the layout is reproducible. Before going live, check CPU and bitrate. If you see stuttering, lower widget animation complexity or output resolution to stabilize performance. Once live, monitor alerts to ensure they trigger. If something fails, clear the browser source cache, reauthorize Streamlabs, and repaste the widget URL. This one quick fix resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.